Windows are essential for natural light, airflow, and connecting your home to the outdoors. But in residential neighborhoods, privacy is just as important as brightness. The right window style and placement can make a major difference in how comfortable and secure your home feels. For homeowners in Covington, slider windows offer flexibility and modern appeal, especially when thoughtfully positioned to balance light and privacy. Why placement matters. Slider windows are designed to open horizontally along a track, making them ideal for wide wall openings and contemporary layouts. Their expansive glass panels provide generous natural light and clean sightlines. In Covington neighborhoods where homes may be closer together, careful placement ensures you can enjoy these benefits without sacrificing personal privacy. Planning ahead during installation allows you to maximize both visibility and discretion. Strategic height placement. One effective way to maintain privacy is to install slider windows slightly higher on the wall. In Covington homes, higher placement allows daylight to enter while limiting direct sightlines from neighboring properties. This approach is particularly useful in bedrooms, bathrooms, and living areas that face adjacent homes. Positioning toward yards or landscaped areas when possible. Orienting slider windows toward your own yard or landscape spaces enhances both views and privacy. Covington homeowners often place slider windows along backyard-facing walls to take advantage of outdoor scenery without exposing interior spaces to street-level visibility. Using partial openings for controlled views. Slider windows allow flexible opening adjustments. In Covington residences, homeowners can open only one section of the window to control airflow without fully exposing interior views. This makes it easier to enjoy ventilation while maintaining discretion. Pairing with privacy-friendly glass options. Glass selection plays a significant role in privacy planning. While maintaining natural light, certain glass styles can subtly reduce visibility from outside. Covington homeowners can explore glass finishes that preserve brightness while offering an added sense of privacy in specific rooms. Balancing open concept layouts. Modern homes often feature open layouts with large window expanses. In Covington properties, slider windows can be arranged strategically to maintain privacy across shared living spaces. Careful spacing between windows prevents uninterrupted sightlines into key areas of the home. Landscaping as a natural privacy barrier. Window placement works best when combined with exterior planning. Covington homeowners frequently use landscaping elements such as shrubs or decorative fencing to complement slider window positioning. These additions enhance privacy without blocking natural light. Considering street-facing installations. Windows facing streets require special attention. When installing slider windows in Covington homes that face public roads, thoughtful placement and alignment help maintain brightness while minimizing direct exposure to passing traffic. Supporting comfort and peace of mind. Privacy contributes significantly to overall comfort. By planning slider window placement carefully, Covington homeowners create spaces that feel open yet secure. The result is a balanced environment where natural light enhances the room without compromising personal boundaries. A thoughtful approach to modern living. Slider windows are valued for their clean design and ease of use, but placement is key to making them work effectively. For homeowners in Covington, thoughtful planning ensures slider windows deliver both style and privacy. By considering height, orientation, layout, and complementary exterior elements, you can create bright, comfortable interiors that feel private and secure. With proper placement, slider windows become a practical and elegant addition to any Covington home.